they are just in the focus of the capital markets, and more often than not, capital markets want maximize performance, and leaders have to think not only in quarters but in years and longer terms. So so that is, for me, is sustainability. Also, if you want to go for the long perspective, and that is, I think, it's ever and always and ever been a task for management, for industry leaders to do that. And so, yes, I believe so, and I believe this is possible, and maybe it's even a precondition if you want to be successful in the business. Not only for a quarter or a year, you have to do your business sustainable, and you have to answer all those aspects. I mean, if you exploit certain aspects of the environment or colleagues, human resources, that cannot be sustainable. Period. No. So I mean, a long-term success is based on a sustainable business. That's what we believe, how to do it. And I mean, and what certainly helps is that our business is not it is not a cement factory, or is not a refinery or something. Electronic business is per se not using very much energy. Our energy spending is a zero-digit spending. We're not using so much energy, but still, I mean, we have used this process to put together all the numbers, and really make ourselves aware of the footprint that we have in the scopes, and actually how we're developing there. We've been in a process as a management team to measure and see how we can improve that. Obviously, if you are a growing company, the absolute numbers rise. That is quite in the nature of the game. But if we put it in a meaningful ratio, and we did that, for instance, with the CO2 per million of revenues, then we see that this is actually moving down, and then we're improving the efficiency there, and we keep on improving that.